Hey design lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel at RQ Graphics. I am thrilled to have you here and I am excited to share new content with you. Stay tuned for videos that will inspire, educate and entertain you. So let's go. Follow every single step to educate yourself more. We are using very basic points. Kindly focus on every single step. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on new videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.